Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video of podcast radio and stuff. I'm Dobego Khulusa. Well, namhlanje ngidecide ukurekhoda i-video nje ngihamba ngedwa untokoza akekho because iGagasi FM just released a statement pertaining to uFelix Hlophe. Sonke siyazi ukuthi kwaba khona isimemezelo esenziwayo iGagasi FM ukuthi unyaka uzohlukaniswa uFelix Hlophe Felix Linda Sibiya no Sel Beyonce kumenyezelwa ku breakfast show yeGagasi. Njengamanje kube neintsolo zokuthi uFelix Hlophe uhlukumeze unkosikazi wakhe umngani uze wakhipha ngisho ama video did a live and sekuqale ngisho petition abantu abathi iGagasi FM alixoshe uFelix Hlophe ngalokho. So kon maningi kama video esiwabonile einkundleni zokuxhumana lapho khona uFelix ebephikisana ngamazwi nabesifazane abangabonakali khona namagama aphume ngakuyena uFelix abanye bakhala ngamagama akawashila uFelix. That's why bethi uFelix Hlophe akamiswe emsebenzini. Nginikeza nje summary mabe ukuthi awulazi lo daba noma ungalilandeli. So emva kuba konke lokhu kwenzakalile nepetition eqalwe uMusa Khawula lapho khona uMusa Khawula ethi uFelix Hlophe must be suspended. Ngigcina isayino yabantu aba less than 1,000 last time I checked. Njengamanje angazi ukuthi ihleli kubantu abangaki. Kodwa ke okungigqugquzele ukuthi ngirekhode le video is statement esikhishwe iGagasi. So iGagasi just released a statement and I'm going to read the statement bese ngisho owami umbono ngaso. Istatement seGagasi sithi Gagasi FM announces temporary on-air break for Felix Hlophe, dated the 29th of December 2025. Felix Hlophe, host of The Uprising, will be given time off air for the coming week. This will allow the station to further assess the situation being reported on social media and in various publications, and to give Felix the space to attend to personal matters requiring his attention. Following this period, Felix will be on scheduled leave for further 2 weeks. Gagasi FM will not speculate or comment further while the matter is being addressed through the appropriate internal process. Felix is expected to return on air on the 19th of January 2026 following the conclusion of this period. Hizzy will stand in as a host of The Uprising during this time, and the crossover show will be hosted by Sel Beyonce and Linda Mr. Magic Sibiya. So yeah, that's what I want to talk about. That's the statement say Gagasi FM. Mangikhuluma iqiniso, to me it came as a shock. Isizathu sidala ukuthi sifike as a shocking mina ingoba kukona konke sikubonile ku social media amazwe siwabonayo phikiswana qophiswana kodwa akukho okuyi physical abuse leli biclaimwa esike sayibona, and also asikaze sambona asikaze sizwe ukuthi uTracy ukunkosikazi kaFelix lona ekuthiwa uTracy ube abusewa uFelix okusho umngani. Akukho la sibone khona ukuthi uTracy usevulele uFelix icala. So I because of that I didn't think iGagasi will take any actions against uFelix. Bengitshela ukuthi ngenzeka bamnikeze ibreak njengoba bekwenzeka yalikalile, kodwa bengilindele ukuthi uzobuya azohlukanisa unyaka. Bengalindele ukuthi unyaka kungenzeka uhlukaniswe uLinda noSel Beyonce. Isizathu sidala lokho ngoba I mean this has been hyped by iGagasi ukuthi unyaka uzohlukaniswa uLinda Sibiya, Felix Hlophe noSel Beyonce. Ukuphuma koyedwa wabo ngicabanga ukuthi mina kuyayilimaza le excitement ngoba abantu bebelindele leyo fire ebizo createwa Felix Hlophe, Linda Sibiya and Sel Beyonce. Yes, Linda Sibiya and Sel Beyonce will still create that fire. Kodwa iqiniso lithi amahlaya kaFelix Hlophe azokhumbuleka baninga bebewalindele ukuzwa lawo mahlaya kaFelix Hlophe. So ngokwami yes show will still be hot ngoba angeke ulithathe away italent elalinda Sibiya no Sel Beyonce. Those are talented radio presenters and bobabili sebeke bawuhlukanisa unyaka okhosini FM for many years. So this bane experience yokwenza lento. So angeke bahlule ukuhlukanisa unyaka kwiGagasi FM bazohlukanisa unyaka and bakhona abantu futhi mhlawumbe baningi abantu abazoya kwiGagasi bethi bayolalela ngoba bayolalela bona based on history ne experience yabo. Kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi dent iGagasi selizoyenza kuKhosi FM angeke isaba as big as it was going to be ukube uFelix Hlophe bezobe yipart of abantu abebezohlukanisa unyaka ngoba simzwile uFelix noLinda benza ibreakfast yes bekhona nomini Ntuli. They created magic in the morning. So abantu bebelindele ukuzwa lo mlingo abebe ucreate ekseni sebewuthatha beyofaka lapha yana ebusuku between 10 and 1 mawukuthi show yeGagasi izorana from that time ukuzwa uLinda, Felix Hlophe and Sel Beyonce. So for me it's a little bit of an anticlimax ukuzwa ukuthi uLinda Sibiya angeke rather uFelix Hlophe angeke asaba ingxenye yabantu abazohlukanisa unyaka kwiGagasi FM. Kodwa I understand from a Gagasi FM point of view. As much as I'm surprised by the move yeGagasi because bengithi nje bazo they'll let it play out kodwa uFelix afika zohlukanisa unyaka. Kodwa ngiyacabanga ukuthi management ibone ukuthi they need to manage the situation and be ahead of the situation instead of trying to play catch up. As much as I'm surprised, God, I also understand. Ngoba abaphathi beGagasi, they have a brand to protect, which is brand yeGagasi FM. Uma bekuthi babona ukuthi khona into elimaza brand yabo, it's incumbent on them. It's their responsibility to act to protect their brand. So, abaphathi benze ababona kufanele bakwenze. Futhi okungenzeka ukuthi mhlawumbe thina sikwaziyo njengoba sibuka social media mhlawumbe khona bona sebekwazi more than what we already know okwenze ukuthi bathathe lesinqumo. Mina nakho kunye ngibengacabanga ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi khona abaphathi abakwaziyo thina as a general public esingakwazi okudale ukuthi baze bathathe lesinqumo. But my verdict ukuthi this is heaven sent for Ukhozi FM. Ukhozi ngicabanga disadvantage ngoba wonke umuntu bekhuluma ngale crossover show yeGagasi FM. Ukuphuma kaFelix ngicabanga ukuthi bakhona bazothi hayi asibuyele ekhaya, asibuyele la esazi khona. Umbuzo ke usuthi ubani ozohlukanisa unyaka kuKhosi FM? Hayi, Ukhozi alika announce so abantu bayabuzana. Nama ngazi kodwa ngibone ipost Facebook kaSithembiso Mngoma. uSithembiso Mngoma ube rana ipoll ebuza abantu ukuthi nizobe nilalele uLinda Sibiya no Sel Beyonce kwiGagasi noma uzobulalele uTshatha noSithanda Nzuza kuKhosi FM. Lokhu kungitshela ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi imithombo ethembekile kaSithembiso Mngoma isimtshelile ukuthi uTshatha noSithanda Nzuza abazohlukanisa unyaka kuKhosi FM. Uma ngabe kuukuthi imithombo ethembekile kaSithembiso Mngoma lokho ekushoyo kuyiqiniso, wena uzobuhamba nobani? Ulalele bani kule festive season empeleni ngomhla ka31 ebusuku uma ngabe zithi nje 11 PM uzobuhamba nobani? Uzobuhamba noSel Beyonce noLinda Sibiya on Gagasi FM noma noTshatha kanye noSithanda Nzuza on Ukhozi FM? Awuye lapha ama comment section ungazise nanokuthi wena ucabangani ngokuthi uFelix Hlophe akasayona ingxenye yabantu abazohlukanisa unyaka okhosini FM or rather kwiGagasi FM. I'd really love to know your thoughts and views. Awushone ema comment section ke uyosazisa umbono wakho. Sengiphetha ngifuna ukuthinta nje ukusika elijikayo kule cancel culture ekhona la eSouth Africa. Angisho ukuthi ngithatha iside la Felix Hlophe. Angisho ukuthi ku right noma ku wrong ukwenziwa uFelix Hlophe. Empeleni anginayo information eyanele to comment on that. So I really can't comment on that. Kodwa le esithanda eSouth Africa ukuthi umake nje kwenzeka into esingavumelani nayo. Sesi run ama petitions sithi abantu abaphelelwe imisebenzi. Sithi abantu abaxoshwe emsebenzini. Angazi noma umona esinawo noma sinenhliziyo ezimbi njengabantu base South Africa noma nje noma sihlale silindele ukuthi umuntu akenze iphutha uma ukuthi iphutha bese sithi akaxoshwe emsebenzini. Angiyiphasisi mina. Kodwa uma ngabe kuukuthi umuntu sebekwe icala sekune evidence, you know, hardcore evidence. Yes, umqashi kumele athathe my actions ekumele awathatha. Ngisho ukuthi abantu abenza izinto ezwrong aba protectwe. Kodwa ngiyakhala ngale yokuthi hayi samba phambili mase kuthiwa nje abantu abakhanselwe, abantu abalahlekelwe imisebenzi, umuntu alahlekelwe isinkwa, sihamba phambili so number 1. Singo number 1 and I have a problem with that. I think cancel culture is problematic because cancel culture ihamba phambili kune evidence kunento ebambekayo. Umuntu uyakhansela ukuqala bese kuya investigate. Sometimes kutholakala ukuthi akenzanga lutho. And that's where kuba inkinga khona. Uma ngabe sekutholakala ukuthi umuntu akenzanga lutho, uselahlekelwe yena isinkwa kwenziwa njani? Angisho ukuthi isinkwa sibaluleke more than anything. Kodwa ngithi sometimes we just need to wait for the due process. Ukube kuthiwa nithi uFelix akakhanselwe ngoba naku Trace usevula icala. Uthi Trace uyahlukunyezwa. Hayi ngabe ngihamba nani? Ngoba ngabe nakho kukhona evidence nangu umuntu okhalayo othi sekonakele. Kodwa umuntu lo ethi uyahlukunyezwa akakalivula icala. Asazi ukuthi bekulwa umama nobaba wasekhaya. Kuyaxatshana. I mean abantu abashadile bayazi ukuthi kuyaxatshana emshadweni. Asazi ke iextent yokuxabana kwabo ukuthi ihambe yagcina ngaphandle kwama video siwabonile. Lawo ma video siwabonile asethi sekumele akhanselwe. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Yes, khona amagama awasebenzisile uFelix aqosheme. Futhi esingawa interpreta ngokuthi rude. You know, he sounded really rude in some of those videos. Would I have said that to uMamezala? Well, not to uMamezala because uMamezala bengasayideni like umama nje omdala. I wouldn't have said that. Komunye nje umuntu izinto engingazisho lezi cha izinto engeke ngizisho. Kodwa izinto esingathi umuntu sekumele aphelele umsebenzi ngazo. I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. Kodwa having watched the whole thing, I really think Felix needs to do some self-introspection in terms of how he manages his emotions. And I'm saying this because his private life, he put it in public for us on his show. I can't remember what it was called, Life with Felix or something like that. He had a show, I think it was on Mzansi Magic, but on DSTV. So we know some bits and pieces of his life. And in my view, he does get a little bit too emotional and he does need to work on his emotions so he can be able to manage umzwakhe. Nesithembu sakhe siyazi manje ukuthi unesithembu Hlophe. So yeah, but I just wanted to comment on that cancel culture. And then the last thing that I want to say is Papala. Elena ye statements Gagas. Igagasi elikshilo lithe. This is to give space, and I'm quoting, to give Felix the space to attend to personal matters that requires his attention. That's not the part that I'm looking for. Here's the part that I'm looking for. Gagasi FM will not speculate or comment further while the matter is being addressed through the appropriate internal process. Okushukuthi there are internal processes enzakalayo with Gagasi njengamanje about this matter. And then 2, igagasi laselithi kwi-statement salo, Felix is expected to return on air on the 19th of January 2026. Ngicela ulalelisise kahle. Choice of words. Felix is expected to return on air on the 19th of January 2026. There's a difference. Ukuthi Felix is expected to return on air on this day, and then Felix will return on air on the 19th of January 2026. Gagasi didn't say he will return. They said he is expected to return on air. Okusho ukuthi kusangenzeka ukuthi angabuyi depending ekutheni ama-internal processes lawo enzakalayo kweGagasi lo lana engufundile earlier ukuthi aphuma namuphi umphumela. That's my reading of the situation. Ukuthi yes kulindeleke ukuthi abuye uFelix ngomhla ka-19 January, kodwa kusangenzeka ukuthi angabuyi. Ucabangani wena? Ngestatement esireleaswe yiGagasi. Uyabuya uFelix? Akabuyi? Uzolalela yiphi radio station ngomhla ka-31 unyaka uhlukanisa noba Ukhozi FM, uthi uSthebiso Mngoma, uTshatha Ugodo kanye noSithandwa Nzuza, noma uLinda Sibiya noSel Beyonce on Gagasi FM. Awuye kuma comment section ufike ushiye umbono wakho. Elami igama nguNtobeko kaKhuluse. Yini ekwenza ukuthi ungasubscribe kule channel? Inkinga ngeyiphi? Ikhona inkinga? Ayikho. Oshoneke kuyona i-subscribe button. Khona nje button lapha lithi subscribe. Khona uzohlala njalo uqala bese uthana nama notifications. Uzobe uqala ukuthola mhla si drop new content. Le i-podcast radio and stuff. Elami igama nguNtobeko kaKhuluse. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.